Maybe you shouldn't go walking, TikToking.
Okay, welcome world history. This is going to be a quick lesson on a one-pager. Normally, after we complete totalitarianism unit, you do another 5-paragraph essay, so you can consider yourselves lucky with the lockdown. The 5-paragraph essay is out, and you will be doing a one-pager as an assessment. Okay, don't even think about starting this assignment until you have done these 3 things. You need to do your reading and notes on totalitarianism so you know what it is. You need to watch my YouTube lesson on the Big Five, okay, because that's the biggest part of totalitarianism. And then, of course, you've got to watch the documentary Stalin, Man of Steel. All of these are posted on Jupiter. If you have completed those 3, then you are ready for the 50-point assignment and your assessment. Okay, you're going to create a one-pager. A one-pager is exactly what it says. I'll show you some examples in a minute, but it is one page, one piece of paper, front only. It is a mix of images, symbols, words, sentences, quotes, all of which are there to display what you have learned about the topic. In this case, the topic is totalitarianism. Okay? For this particular assignment, I am requiring the following. Please have all of these. Okay? Yes, you can have more. This is the minimum. So you have to have at least this, but you can always add more. The big thing with you'll see this, I've put this about 1,000 times throughout the assignment. The big thing on the one-pager is to be creative. Okay, so you need at least one quote. Can come straight out of the video or your textbook. Somewhere in there you need the definition of totalitarianism. It tends to be a longer definition. You could shorten it or paraphrase it if you want. Okay, I need some way for you to represent the Big Five any way you want. Words, images, or both combined. Okay, that's, propaganda, indoctrination, censorship, etc., etc. I need one important date. Anything having to do with Stalin or totalitarianism in the Soviet Union. I need one reference to totalitarianism somewhere else other than the Soviet Union. Okay, there are countries now that use totalitarianism. There's a particular dictator now that has been using totalitarianism. Okay, so it wasn't only Stalin. Hitler, as you learned, was a totalitarian. Mussolini. Okay, let's try and connect it to somewhere outside of the Soviet Union. And then, of course, like I said, be creative, and anything else you would like to add, focused on what you learned about totalitarianism. Okay? I added some helpful hints. Number 1, you can look up examples on Google. You probably will not find one on totalitarianism. Just Google one-pagers examples. There are a bunch on Instagram. Number 2, be creative. The format is completely up to you. I do not care how you do it. You get one piece of paper. This is a template that I put up there to help those of you that want some organization or get overwhelmed by just looking at a blank piece of paper. And what you see on here is you've got borders out here. What I noticed is a lot of students put their sentences or their words on the outside. You have a border in here, which you can add things, decorations, symbols, words, quotes. You can do images and words in these boxes. Okay? It is completely up to you. Use my template or don't. You can find other templates of your own. You can print this out and draw using colored pencils, crayons, markers. I realize some of you don't have a printer at home. That's okay. You can do an electronic version. Okay? Have fun with it and make it your own. Be creative. Here are some examples. Okay? This person did their own version. This person just did the 6 boxes. This person didn't have necessarily an organized box. Okay, they put things and just went with it. Some other examples, completely up to you. Here's the template again. There is no top, no bottom. I don't care. The template is yours. Okay, you can spin it sideways, use a portrait or landscape, upside down, right side, whatever is up to you if you decide to use the template. Okay, thank you. Have fun.